I really hope that you had a great day off yesterday. Maybe you even got to go with a grown-up to vote. That is something very cool that you'll get to do when you are all grown up. But let's jump into the calendar. The month is November. We have a birthday yesterday, so happy late birthday, Bailey. Whoop whoop. Yesterday was the 3rd, which will make today the 4th. Let's fill in the date. Remember, we talked about that November is the 11th month. So November 4th, 2020. Let's put it in word form. November 4th, 2020. I know that yesterday was Tuesday. I know that today is Wednesday and tomorrow will be Thursday. Feels like a short week, you guys. So, how many days have we been in school? Yesterday it was 32. If we were at 32 and we add one more, it is 3 groups of 10 and 3 ones, which makes 33. Let's make 33 cents. I'm going to change it up today and do 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33. Awesome. Whoa, things jumping all around on me. All right, remember, if you are not familiar with these words, if you cannot read and write them on your own, you need to be practicing these. They are on the first grade word list or trick word list that was shared with your families. Look and new is good the. Let's get our number 42. Let's count by twos, starting with 42, and let's go to 62. Get all these lined up so they'll help our brain see where to go. We're starting at 42 and we're going to 62. 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. 52, 54, 56, 58, 60. 62. If counting by twos is hard for you, you should go ahead and start practicing because that is going to be a math unit coming up, is working on our skip counting. All right, get our middle number, 14. What's one less? 13. What's one more? 15. What is 10 less? 4. What is 10 more? 24. Let's get our big number, 196. Put our number in the middle. What is 100 less? So look at your hundreds place and get rid of 1. Oh, that just leaves 96. 100 more. Add 1 more to this and it is 296. Very good job today, you guys.